Hello everyone, good day. I got my flower from my asawa. He is very sweet heart. Kaya ayan, diba? So sweet. Ayan pa guys. Dalawa ang binigay niya. Napakahat ng asawa ko. Maraming green. Super hot. And sweet. Napaka-sweet. Ang lambing ni asawa. Talagang chili ang binigay. Hindi na ako binibigyan ng rose guys. Chili na. Okay. Okay naman. Mas maganda. At mapapakinabangan. At look, it's a beautiful plants. And magagamit pa natin sa pagluto. Thank you guys. Have a good day. God bless everyone. Chili.